Tonight, the forecast is urgent and distressing.
A major hurricane is threatening South Florida. Irma became a Category 5 today with maximum sustained winds of 185 miles an hour, the most powerful ever recorded in the Atlantic.
This is a dire situation right now. Catastrophic, life-threatening.
A storm that is the size of the entire Florida peninsula.
It has just begun, and it's going to get worse.
But nothing like this.
These winds are intensifying.
Anybody can go through this. And you can't prepare for this. The extent of this devastation, and to go from having a great income to 4 properties that you can rent and nobody that wants to come down, is kind of mind-boggling, and it's kind of scary.
When you feel like you're going to lose everything and you know that people care about you, then that makes it so much better. It's just, you're not alone.
Our partnership with LiveRez, I look at that medal, and it sits up on our front desk. And, you talk about being partners. And if you're the partner, you're our partner when it's good, and make the money with us, and be our partner when it's bad. And thank God LiveRez has risen to that challenge.
I'm going to share that in 2004, Hurricane Ivan took our building and 111 vacation rentals overnight. I sit alone to rebuild. I'll do anything necessary to aid partners who were devastated by these 3 hurricanes. And through LiveRez, I have a vehicle to do just that.
And LiveRez sent down a couple of representatives to meet with us and other LiveRez partners in the area. They took a look at the damage and were trying to figure out what they could do to help us.
As far as the LiveRez family, the reach outs from everywhere, people, it's been so heartful to be such a new member and have this kind of support. It's just unprecedented.
And when you're in a situation like this, where whether it's a hurricane, whether it's wildfires, whether it's massive flooding, it's situations which are beyond your control that you have to deal with sometimes very instantaneously, it's really amazing to know that there are people who have your back. And when I joined LiveRez in 2009, I never knew that it was going to grow into this.